Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the approachable expansion. And I have a quick tip. Now here Foul is working with the browser window. And there's one detail here that when you click, you get the element right away in the element window, which is a feature you want, but just in case, if I want to sort, let me see all of the topics, then I will sort by the largest. And you will see that in this case is an example that Supermemo struggles a lot. Let me see what I have here. If you use textbooks, let's see that you click Renaissance. Look, in this case it's not that much, but I remember that I had books and I need to wait 20 seconds every single time. Perhaps I want to click this, or navigate with the keyboard, but I don't want every time Supermemo to load this, because it's painfully slow. Now it's not that slow because I already amended that, but look at that. Oh, sleep and dreams. Renaissance. Do you see it takes a while? So there's one setting. The second last button says synchronize the element displayed in the element window with the current selection in the browser. It's a default behavior. So if you uncheck that, that's it, you need to click once. Now it's no longer highlighted. That means that now, if I go down, look how quick it is now to move. Because it doesn't load every single time. So you can do this anytime, depends if that's the behavior you want. But that's an illustrative case that, hey, it's because of performance issue, I want this behavior. So okay, let me check. Oh yeah, it was this one, failure. Now enter. Oh yeah, it was this one. Oh, what is the other one? Confidence. Pum pum pum, and I click, and when I press enter or double click, then this updates the element window. But not every single time that I change the selection in the element window. So I don't have to wait every single time. Let's say that what I want is to split. It's actually what I did. So then I select this, I do the split that we will see later in the course. So then instead of having one huge text, I have one text for every chapter, header, section, whatever, how it is split in the article or book. And then I no longer have this issue. Okay, so what I will do is I click again, and that's it. So now I only need to click and this updates. So this is useful to have like a temporary solution that I toggle this off, I do the thing for convenience, once I'm done, I toggle this on once again. So again, it's a feature that is nice to have, it's convenience at the end of the day, because you can achieve the same result, but with more patience. But it's good to know those details. See you in the next video.